Hi guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I am going to show you a delicious, summery, fun, sweet treat that just so happens to be Disney. All right, so Disneyland and the My Disney Experience app, the Walt Disney World app, recently released this recipe to one of their most famous snacks. I'm so excited to share this with you. That's right, y'all. We're making Dole Whips today. Dole Whips. We're making Dole Whips. We're making Dole Whips. Whoo, 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 whoo. All right. I can't. All right, so it's super simple. If you missed out on seeing the recipe on the app, don't you worry. All of the pictures are gonna be included in this video as we go along into the recipe, and in the description below, I will include a link to an article so you can head on over there, print out the recipe, and have it on hand for whenever you need a Dole Whip fix. All right, with that being said, let's jump right into it. You only need 3 ingredients. You need pineapple chunks, you need pineapple juice. If you do not want to get the twist off bottles, you can get the pineapple juice in the can. It's just personal preference. I chose to do this because I didn't want a big can of pineapple juice opened up because I don't know when I'm going to use it again. So this is super convenient. You can twist the cap back on, pop it in your fridge, and it'll last for, not forever, but for a while. And then you need vanilla ice cream. I chose to up the ante and up my Dole Whip game. I got the Haagen-Dazs coconut pineapple ice cream. This is available at most grocery stores. I just decided to do a little extraness because I am extra. All right, so let's get all of the ingredients into our blender. You also need a blender. You need measuring utensils, an ice cream scoop, and a large Ziploc bag, and a pair of scissors to snip off the end, or a piping tip if you have one. And this will give us the perfect Dole Whip swirl. All right, let's jump right into it. I'm so excited. All right, let's get all of our ingredients into the blender. First, we need 2 cups of pineapple chunks. So fill this up to the top. So that's 2 cups. Next, you need a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. Shake it well to get all of the little bits off of the bottom. No, get those bits out of there. All right. Oh God, that did not open easily. All right, let's do it. So we do a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. And if you guys like this cooking stuff that I'm trying out, comment below. I am more than open to do any other Disney recipes that you want me to do. So comment below, or head on over to my Instagram, The Real Kyle Steven, right there it'll be. Head on over there and send me a message or comment on one of my posts and let me know what Disney recipe you want me to make. And we'll do it. We're all in quarantine. Let's have some fun. Let's get cooking in the kitchen. Kyle in the kitchen. I'm dead. All right, and then the last thing, so you have your pineapple and your juice in there, your pineapple chunks and your juice, and then it calls for a big scoop of ice cream. 1 big scoop of ice cream. So I think this is like personal preference, I guess. That's a big scoop. All right, I'm really curious how this tastes. Oh, y'all, that is good. That is good. Hold please, I need a napkin. That is so good. All right, so all of our ingredients are in there. And I never know how to work this thing. All right. Okay. Turn it on, and we're gonna blend it. Let's check this out. Okay. Stop it. Stop it right now. be careful. You want to get all the goodness off of the blade. But be careful. This thing is so sharp if you're using a ninja. I've cut myself so many times on this thing. It's not okay. Give me 1 second. Got it. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. Oh, shut the front door. I am so excited about this. All right, so then you want to dump all of this mix into your baggie. You want to dump it into the bag, all right, like so. So just get a little spatula and sort of get it in there. This is probably the most unflattering angle of me. All in the name of Dole Whip though, am I right? Oh, it would help if I'm using the right side of the spatula. Okay, get in there. You wanna, no Dole Whip is gonna get left behind right now. You wanna get all of the batter out, all right? This is not really cooperating well with me. Okay, okay. I broke the glass. Oh, that's so sad, I broke it. Oh, I have another mug that we can use. And I'll try not. Oh, guys, not okay. I broke the mug. All right, and then you just snip like so. So you have your Dole Whip in the bag. That might have been too big of a snip. Yep, too big of a snip. I'm not doing very well today. I'm like, oh, 4. Let's do a... All right, there we go. Right. It's supposed to swirl a little better than that. I didn't say that I am a professional swirler. I never worked in an ice cream shop. All right. And there you go. Let's get a little spoon, reusable straw, and easy Dole Whip recipe. Let's taste test it. That is so stinking good. And there you have it. Dole Whip, the official Disneyland and Disney World Dole Whip. 3 ingredients. It'll take you 5 minutes on a perfect summer, well, it's not summer yet, quarantine day, Disney snacks right in your home. Oh my God. All right, this has been so much fun. I literally had the best time ever. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon to get notified when more videos get posted. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. I will see you next time. I'm Kyle, and this has been Cooking with Kyle, Disney style. Bye, guys. All right, guys, go behind the scenes, It's time to make some Dole Whip, and I've got my ears. Here we go. Let's do the Dole Whip. Boom. Whoops. Boom.